Ever wished you could put a separate caption under each photo or video in a carousel post on Instagram? Now you can. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a different caption to each slide in an Instagram carousel. Now let's get started. To add multiple captions to an Instagram carousel post, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and start crafting your carousel post as normal. Tap the plus sign, select Post, tap the carousel icon, and select all the images you want to include. Edit your images as you'd like. When you get to the posting stage, tap the text box that says Add a Caption. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can choose if you want to have a single caption or multiple captions. Select Multiple Captions. Once you've switched to that setting, you'll be able to add separate captions for each slide in your carousel post. You can choose to add a caption to each one, or skip some if you want to. Swipe between your images at the top to select which one you want to write a caption for. When you're done writing your captions, tap OK in the top right corner to save. You can then go ahead and post your carousel as normal. When your friends view your post, each different caption will come up below the image as they swipe through your carousel. That's all it takes to add a different caption to each slide in an Instagram carousel. Want to reorder your carousel after posting? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.